Sushmila Poojary and my partner is Gayab. So no worries, today I'm gonna teach you solo dance routine on Chamma Chamma song. I hope you guys are ready for this dance routine. So let's start from the top. You're moving ahead, go 1, 2, 3 and hit. Then you're facing your back towards your audience, okay? Move, move and hit. Moving ahead, we are going hit, hit and roll. Once again, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Hit, hit and roll. Next step, back to position. Moving your right hand towards your right side, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Hit, hit and hit, go, roll. Once again, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Hit, hit, hit and roll. The next step is, again you are facing your back towards the audience and moving to your right. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1 and 2, go. 1 and 2. Move, 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 move 90 degrees. Okay, again the same. You're repeating it twice. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Hit and hit, go. Hit and hit. Move, move, move 90 degree. Again you're going to your right side. 1 and 2, go. 1 and 2. Roll, roll, roll. Easy? Let's do it one more time. So moving ahead, you're going towards your right. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, go. Roll and hit and hit. Easy? Once again, we'll go 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Hit, hit, go. Roll and doom, doom. Okay? Moving ahead, it's very simple. You're going downwards. 1 and 2. Okay? Once again, go right and right. Go 1, 2. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave and wave and. Okay? Again, from here, we'll do till here. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Moving ahead, you're going forward, grab and hit. Go, grab, go hit. And grab, go hit, go grab and hit. Okay? This you're doing 4 times. Okay? Go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Grab, go hit. Grab, hit. Grab and hit. Grab and hit. And now moving ahead, you're going, go hit and hit. One more time with your hands, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1 and 2. And you're keeping your left leg down and go hit. Turn around, go wave and wave. Once again, back to your position. You're keeping your leg here and hit. Turn around, go wave and wave. The next step is back to your position. Wave, go forward and close your hands. 5, 6, 7, 8, go forward, close your hands and go hit and hit. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1 and go. Hit and hit. Once again, go. 1 and 2, go. Hit and hit. Your last position is this. Okay, moving ahead, you're going forward 2 steps. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and wave. Go. Hey. You're dusting here. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Wave and 2 steps. Dusting, go dusting. Once again, go forward. Same step, 2 and 2. Hand variation. Okay, one more time, we'll do it both. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1 and 2, go. 3 and 4, go. Dust and dust, go. 1 and 2, go. 3 and 4, go. Hand variation. Moving ahead, you're going backward. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Shoulder, 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 tap. Once again, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. Hit, hit and tag.
तेरी क्लोज आके तेरी सांसों में समाऊं राजा तेरी क्लोज आके तेरी सांसों में समाऊं तेरी नींदें चुरा लूं.
Moving ahead, you're going towards your right. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Once again, towards your left. Okay. Swing your belly towards your left. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll do loud steps, okay? Moving ahead, you're keeping your right hand and right leg straight towards your audience. Okay, 5, 6 and do this. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Boom, 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 boom. And once again, 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Boom, 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 go like hit and hit and hit and hit. We'll do continuously. You're going to do the steps twice. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, go. 1 and 2 and roll. And hey! So finally we are done with our today's solo dance routine. So I hope आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर अच्छा लगा है तो please like, share and subscribe.